Hello everyone, my name is Rachita Mathur, currently working as a legal intern at LEXCLIQ. So today I'll be discussing on a case of Distress Management Collective versus Union of India and others. So in this case, the Supreme Court has further refused to entertain the plea that was being filed seeking direction for framing of policy to protect the right of the dead and controlling the overcharging of cremation of those who have died of COVID-19 and ambulance services. A bench has further grant liberty to the petitioner to approach the National Human Rights Commission during an hearing. An advocate who is appearing for the petitioner has informed the court that direction had been sought for formulation of policy to protect the right of the dead in wake of incident of bodies being found in River Ganga. He added that the petitioner organization also took up the issue before the High Court as well, but the needful hasn't been done. So the division bench further observed that there is nothing happening now, and the problem you are raising is serious problem. They agree, but likely the situation is not that now. So you can go to NHRC and there the order will be passed taking care of the issue. In the wake of tragic news of bodies floating in the River Ganga, the present plea was being filed by the NGO Trust Distress Management Collective, stressing on the dire need to enact a specific legislation that protect the right of the dead and for the issuance of the guidelines to all the states and union territory to prescribe the rate for cremation and ambulance service along with the penal action for non-compliance at earliest. The plea also took a note of the advisory issued by the National Human Rights Commission on 14th May 2021 for upholding the dignity and protecting the right of the dead, whereby the 11 recommendations has been given to center and all the state and union territories. Further, the NHRC through a letter to Union Home Secretary, Union Health and Family Welfare Secretary and to the chief secretaries and administrators of state and union territories has also asked for the implementation of these recommendations in the advisory and take the action and report it within the 4 weeks. Highlighting the issue of overcharging of cremation and ambulance service provider, the plea stated that the two issues are directly connected with the news of body that have been dumped at River Ganga as due to exorbitant amount that has been charged by the people and decided to put the body in River Ganga. The petitioner organization then pointed out that it took up the issue of overcharging by cremation and ambulance service provider in Delhi, the High Court of Delhi. Further, in a case of Distress Management Collective versus Government of NCLT of Delhi, where through its order dated on 6 May 2021, the court gave petitioner the liberty to preferential representation to the concerned municipal corporation. According to the petitioner, when a representation was made to all the 4 municipal corporations on 11th May by giving reference to the order of High Court, they were not acknowledged or responded to, which reaffirmed the petitioner belief no concrete action will be taken by them to regulate the overcharging. In a view of the fact that the issue of floating dead body in River Ganga has attracted unwanted global media attention, it is imperative that this Honorable Supreme Court directs the center to consider the gravity of the issue and enact a law that ensure dignity and right of the dead. The plea reads that the present plea has been filed by an advocate and by the NGO through the petition that sought the following relief from the Supreme Court. First is to direct the respondent to consider the formulating a policy that protect the right of the dead. Second, to direct the respondent to advise all the state or union territory to frame a guidelines that regulate the ongoing overcharging of cremation of those who have died due to COVID-19. It further direct the respondent to advise all the state and union territory to frame the guideline that regulate the ongoing overcharging by ambulance service provider. So that's all for the day. Thank you.